Your Amazon product doesn't sell. Most likely one of those 5 reasons is the origin of this issue. My name is Maxim. I'm the founder of Maximize Your Online Biz. We help sellers, Amazon sellers, to scale their Amazon activity profitable. So, number 1, there is actually no market for your product. What you will do, you will go to Amazon, you will use Helium 10 and you will search for some search terms related to your product, and you will check if there actually is a demand for your product. If there is no demand, I saw that in the past, you think the product is great, you think people are searching for your product, but if actually no one is searching for your product, there are no or very little sold units. That's issue number 1. Issue number 2, the product market fit. You have a product, but actually your product doesn't solve any supplementary problem, doesn't serve the potential clients better than the existing products. You have no differentiation, you don't have the right marketing angle. That is issue number 2, and that's normally something those 2 issues should be solved before selling a product. You should always check, is there a market? And number 2, you should also check if there is a chance to get a part of the cake. And this chance to get a part of the cake you get in analyzing your competitors' reviews, checking is there any missing need, is maybe the market misunderstood and you can do something better than the other ones. So that's the 2 issues you should solve upfront. Issue number 3, that is the visibility of your product. There are 2 ways to get visibility on Amazon. Number 1, organic visibility. You get this visibility by implementing the search terms which are describing your product best, which are the most relevant search terms for your product into your Amazon listing, in the title, in the bullet points, in the backend keywords, in the product description, in the alt text eventually, etc., etc. And if you do that, you get some organic visibility. That is one option. And of course, option number 2 is paid traffic. That means Amazon PPC, but you should solve the 2 following issues first before spending thousands of dollars into PPC. Because if you spend money, because if you do advertising, it just gives your product visibility. And if I say it just gives your product visibility, I really mean it just gives your product visibility, nothing more. It's not like a hack that you out of nowhere get a better conversion rate, get more clicks, etc. You just get more visibility. That's the only thing. It's an amplifier. If your product already is converting well, if your product is already optimized, everything is well, you will get more sales. If that isn't the case, you will just spend money useless. Issue number 4, if you have the visibility, everything is fine. Now we need also to get clicks. That means your product is seen, but if your offer isn't appealing, if you maybe do not get any attention of the customer with a nice click-through rate optimized domain image, you won't get any clicks, and so you get just impressions, but no one is clicking on your product. Even Amazon, if you do advertisement and Amazon sees that your product doesn't seem to be as relevant as other products, because other products get clicked, your product doesn't get clicked. In the end, you also will get lower advertisement spaces. And so that is also a very common issue and also a very easy to fix issue. And after it, issue number 5, you get impressions, you get clicked, but you actually aren't converting. That means people are going onto your product page, but aren't buying your product, and by buying a competitor's product. That's all, of course, issue number 5, a low conversion rate. That is also important. The low conversion rate normally is due to images which are not applying because you didn't speak the language of your client avatar. Maybe it's also a copywriting issue. That's a less likely thing because there are many people which aren't reading anymore the bullet points, but that could also be one thing. Issue number 3, that's also a very common mistake, a pricing which is too high. You charge a premium price, but you don't offer a premium product, or you don't do anything other than the other competitors. And so you can imagine if the client clicked on your product and in the end he sees, I don't know, there are many suggested products which look for him the same as your product, but at a cheaper price, maybe with more reviews, with better reviews, then in the end he will buy your competitors. And that is issue number 5. There are also other points. The reviews, for example, if you have a bad rating, or maybe also if you have a good rating, you can check that. You may have a very good rating and the average, I don't know, average of 4.7 stars and maybe hundreds of reviews. But if there is a review, a bad review, a very tragic review showing up when the client is reading the reviews, he will stop the buying process and he will prefer purchasing another product. So that's the most likely issues you have when your product isn't get bought. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below if you have any Amazon related questions, and if you would like my team and I taking care of your Amazon product or products of your Amazon journey, please contact us below. We will do a free audit of your product page, of your market, and then see each other again soon. Bye.